Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary. I said it's time for the legendary Beamer Boys to step up out of the darkness and step into the light and put those toes to the fire and those feet to the pavement. Can the Boys in Blue calm these wild, crazy Beamer Boys down? Or will the Beamer Boys take that luxurious foot, douse it with gasoline, light it on fire, and give the devil a quick, swift kick to the buttocks and make the Boys in Blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. BMW competition style. Oh, is that him right there? In the G80 doing 120 plus. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my BMW toes devil. I hope you're ready.
Yeah, he just blacked out. West of 28.
Oh, he blacked out. He gone. He moving.
Yeah, I am.
They doing 120 plus. He flying. Had
a dark colored BMW come through at 143 westbound. He's passing 28 now. There's a unit west of me.
That boy moving. He moving like a rocket. Them BMWs don't play no games. Them M3s, that inline 6. See, that's what Dodge need. They get their inline 6 like BMW. He said he doing 148. Good, googity, muggity. That boy moving. If Dodge could get their Dodge Charger inline 6 Hurricane to do what these BMW inline 6s can do, they will be working with something. And the inline 6 on the Dodge got 550 horses stock. BMW 500. Yeah, the M3 come with like 510, I believe.
Left lane, he's about a half mile ahead.
Man, he moving, y'all. And he blacked out. I don't know what kind of cop car this is, but it ain't looking good. In order to catch him, you're going to have to sacrifice that motor. You're going to have to sacrifice the motor to catch up to this BMW M3 comp. Man.
I'm passing cover on. Still about 48. Still not catching up.
Oh, he said he doing 148. So that Beamer about 160.
Coming up on the rest area.
170. Is the BMW M3 comp governed?
Right lane now.
What's the top speed on the BMW M3, y'all? 200?
600.
This boy is getting busy. He is eating up that highway like your girl be eating up them Slonsons. She's a gobbler. She's a fly. She's nasty.
Still at 148. Starting to make up a little ground.
Okay, he said he catching up. I mean, I don't think so, but if he say so.
Scan over to the right. Might take 2, 3, 4 business.
I don't know about that. I think he giving you the business though. He don't need to get off the highway. You can't keep up.
2, 3, 4 business.
Oh, he did get off.
Heading north.
Oh, there you go though. I see him. Yeah, he flying, y'all.
Head towards 29.
That's not me, y'all. That's his camera. That's his audio. It's not mine. That's what I said. That motor is telling him we will shut down. Whatever kind of cop car this is, he gonna have to push it to the limits. Push it to the limits. I don't know the lyrics, y'all. What's the lyrics to push it to the limits? I don't know the lyrics.
Continue straight.
I don't know why his audio got so bad. I guess his car must be overheating. Everything's malfunctioning. Everything's malfunctioning trying to keep up with this Beamer. I just don't see you catching this Beamer on no back roads like this. This is to the BMW's advantage. I just can't see you catching him like this.
No traffic. He just passed.
Was that another unit?
County unit sitting there.
He just passed the county unit. The county unit said, I'm not even gonna turn my lights on. I'm not even gonna waste my time nor the taxpayers' money. You got it. You stood a better chance of catching him on the highway. You're not catching him on these back roads. I just can't see that. Them M3s is made for this type of stuff. He said, I'm just still not trying to catch up to him. Give it up. This is a major waste of taxpayers' money. We ain't saw him since the beginning of the chase. Woo.
It's a dark colored BMW.
Only description he can give him is it's a dark colored BMW. It's a blur. That's what I would have told him. I'd have said, officer, it's a blur. I can only tell you that was a Beamer. Where is this, New York?
I'll just search the area, make sure he didn't crash out somewhere.
They said they're gonna see if he's crashed out. This ain't no Mopar. They don't crash out in BMWs. Kill the lights. 1022. And he said mission complete. Turn the lights off. I'm gone. He went into a black hole, never to be seen again. To infinity and beyond. My man in another world talking about what he just did on Earth 2022. That's what Earth is. Earth 2022. He's on Earth 1965. Matter of fact, he at McDonald's getting a double fish fillet with a sweet tea and a large fry. They got the whole city looking for this black BMW. It's a wrap. Meet me in the comments, the Beamer Boys. I said the Beamer Boys have done it again. The Beamer Boys have showed us again why they are the top dogs. Everybody else is below the Beamer Boys. The Moparians are putting up a valiant fight. The Sadie's boys are putting up a valiant fight. But those Beamer Boys got knockout power, one-hitter quitter power. They got that mean uppercut. It's almost unstoppable. They out here trying to prove to everybody, ain't nobody got it like the Beamer Boys. There is some nice cars out there, but the Beamer Boys said we putting our foot on their neck. We putting belt to butt. Shout out to the Beamer Boys. Only time we saw that Beamer was what? At the beginning of the video. After that, we never saw it again. It's in Never Never Land, right next to Peter Pan. He talking to Peter Pan like, I know you can fly, but my BMW can fly too. Where Tinkerbell at with her fun ass? But with that being said, hopefully this was a great video for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all liked this video. Hopefully this was a good video. Because just in case you want to buy a BMW M3, I just showed you why. If you're looking to get an M3 competition, I just showed you why you need to get one. Yeah, but big shout out to the Beamer Boys. They did it again. The 2026 year is looking like it belongs to the Beamer Boys. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a couple hype points in that Avengers Cup. It will be very, very much appreciated. And with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Stop listening to the people that don't matter. Stop listening to the haters. Listen here. A hater gonna always try to sway you away from doing things that they think that they can't do. So they definitely gonna make sure that you don't try to do it, because misery loves company. Get away from the haters, especially if you're surrounded by them, because you know if you're surrounded by haters, you know it. Deep down in your soul, you know you kick it with a bunch of haters, a bunch of people that ain't trying to do nothing, and they want you to stay with them. Misery loves company. that means get away from the company that you're keeping right now because it's holding you back. I know you're like, huh? Yeah, the people that you keep around you, they can hold you back. They can ruin your life, or they can put your life at a standstill. It's up to you to get away from those people, because only you can get away from them. If you continue to kick it with them, you will continue to be leached upon. You will continue to be hated upon. The question is, do you want to start winning? Make the decision. Cut the dead weight. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. If you're going to be ruthless, you're going to be merciless, and you want to get your diabolical wings, I'm going to need for you to do what? Get you a BMW M3 competition.